Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystique Magic. So today I am going to create this green halo eye look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. But before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Don't look back, we're here to stay. A life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die, looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who will never let go. Just watch us run to where no one knows. We'll never grow. We'll never grow.
So that's all. This is my finished look. Hope you really enjoy watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.